my name is Arjuma. Today I'm going to recreate a very famous dish from Bengal, which I have a really fond memory since childhood, and especially during the summertime. And now because it's mango season as well, so let's quickly recreate it. We need a lot of raw mango for this. Let's get going. To begin with, we'll take mangoes. So I have taken raw mangoes here and I have cut it into blocks, as you can see here. These are 2 big size raw mangoes. Now I'm going to marinate it with a little bit of salt, very little, or just take it according to your taste. I'm going to take a little bit of red chilli powder, sprinkle on top of it, and little bit of turmeric. Now I'll use my hand to marinate. Coat all the block of mangoes really well. Now that it's mixed, we'll keep this aside and we'll go on to making the roasted spice, as we call it in Bengali as Bhaja masala. For this we need jeera or cumin powder, cardamom powder, which is the dhania powder, then Ajwain and Fennel. And now I'm going to roast it. So we have to begin with a medium flame. One by one, we'll put all the spices into the pan. So let the pan be a little hot. Okay. So in a medium flame, I'm roasting all the masalas together, and roast the masalas really well, mix it properly and roast till the raw smell is gone. This might take not more than 5 minutes, and keep stirring. So now the masala is roasted properly. I will transfer now this to a plate and keep it aside. So now that we have roasted the masala, we'll move on to the main part, which is cooking the mangoes. On the gas, and we'll take mustard oil, which is sarson ka tel. Take a little bit and we'll let it heat. The aroma of the mustard oil is really strong, so you have to let the aroma go a little, and then you have to put the masalas one by one. So I'm going to put some red chillis in it, and some black mustard seeds or kala rai. Right a little. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of ginger, which I've already cut. Now fry all of this together. Now this is almost done. So next process is we'll take the mangoes, which we have already marinated, and we are going to put it in the oil. Now we are going to take a little bit of turmeric powder or haldi, and This will give a lovely yellow color to the chutney that we are preparing. And now we have to fry till the mangoes are fully cooked. This will take 5 to 10 minutes. I have put the stuff in low heat. So in low heat you have to really nicely stir it until the mangoes are cooked. Now that the mangoes have started releasing a nice fragrance, what we do is add a little bit of water to it, and we are adding the water here so that the mangoes become tender. Add a little more water to this. So because after it's cooked, the mangoes will soak all the water and eventually it will become thicker. So now that we have added the water, we'll put the lid to this and we'll let this cook for some time. At least during intervals you have to see that the mangoes are getting cooked properly. Let's see if the mangoes are cooked properly. Yes, it's almost very tender. Now we'll go to the sweetness part of this, where we'll add the sugar. So today I'm adding sugar. If you want, you can add jaggery as well. So I will add. Sweetness again is a very subjective thing, so you can add how much as you like. So I'm here going to add a little bit more, and this is something what you can adjust later as well. Mix it well. Now adding the sugar will thicken this entire syrupy kind of a thing what we are making. You can adjust the water and the sugar according to your liking. Again, we are going to cover this and let it cook for some time. Wow, chutney is completely ready. Now I'm going to put the roasted masala from top. This really adds a different tangent to the chutney, so please don't avoid this step. So finally our raw mango chutney or the kacha ame talk is ready. You can have it lukewarm also, or like I prefer. So what I do is I keep it in the refrigerator for 2-3 hours before I consume, and I love it chilled. One more information I would like to share with you guys. You can take a mason jar, like a glass jar, and store this in the fridge. So you can have it after a couple of days also. So it doesn't get spoiled for sure, but the taste every time you have it gets better. I do hope you really like the recipe. Do try it before the mango season gets over.